Okay guys, today we're out here in the freezing but cold tundra with a BFA DIY blanks, and that they cycle perfectly fine. Okay, so I got a handful of DIY blanks. I reloaded them all myself. Video on that I'll put up here. Put them in my YouTube 10 round magazine right here. So there you go. You got they're the red ones. This is what the real ones look like. So these ones have like a purpley tip. I've seen them with a red tip or kind of a green thing, but it's just a crimped piece. Mine's kind of the same thing. I'll link that video. And again, they will cycle just fine with the blank that's meant for the M200s. It is important that you'll want to make sure it's tightened all the way down. If your BFA is loose, then it likely won't cycle. So I'll go ahead and show you that here. Bolt lock backed and everything. Okay guys, so there you have it. The DIY blanks work perfectly fine with a blank firing adapter. If you guys have any thoughts or questions on that, please put in the comment section below. As always guys, thanks for watching. Okay, this video was specifically requested by one of you guys, so here it is. As I get to all the videos you guys suggest, sometimes it takes me months, sometimes I have a queue, sometimes I have a kid, like in between, so life gets kind of crazy, but I do get to them eventually.